There's an eagle. I'm seeing an eagle in California. There's an eagle. He's down by the bank. He's right on the water's edge. I see him. Yeah. I got him on my camera now. It's an eagle in California. Oh my God, it's an eagle. I'm seeing my first eagle in California. I'm so excited. Oh, that's so exciting. My wish came true.
Have you been to California? Seen the sights and people there? Walked the streets of sleepy sea towns, tasted salty ocean air.
So we are at the guards station, the guards station here at Shasta Dam. And then there's a beautiful Shasta Lake. They are in the back. Just checking to make sure everything's good. And then we're going to our new camping spot. Chappie Shasta Lake, once these doors open.
Hi, I'm Michael.
And I'm Grace.
And together we are California Travel Videos and Beyond.
And today we are here up by the Shasta Dam near Redding, California. And we are back on Rails to Trails. So we're going to go find that path and we're going to ride down the beautiful Sacramento River with the intention and goal to get to Redding. But we'll play it by ear. We have the RV all tied up nice with
Reflectex and Illuminate and anything to keep it cool for our Siberian Husky.
That's right. We got to take care of him priority. So this ride is going to be based upon the weather and how hot it gets. If it gets too warm, we're going to turn around.
Yeah, but I think that what I've heard about this is this whole area here, there's a lot of great bike routes. I think, what, over 10 miles to get to Redding?
So I think it might be closer to 15 because I think it's 30 round trip. So
you think our batteries will hold up or our pedals will?
Well, one direction they will because it's downhill, but the question is
coming back
uphill. Well, we'll see which is which on the way. So we'll take you along. Let's go find out.
Okay, let's go. See you there. Well, we're just getting started. I can't help but stop. Isn't this gorgeous out here? I don't know what it is that has the fragrance, but it is beyond powerful. You know, I love the different fragrance when you're out here, but if you have allergy problems, this may not be the place to be at the end of May, but gosh, it is great out here. I think Grace has found the trail. It's just about an eighth of a mile from the campground. And that is the Chappie Shasta. Is that what it's called, Grace? Okay, so, oh, okay, sure. I mean the campground. Chappie, C-H-A-P-P-I-E, I think is what it is. And you can see the Sacramento River is in its glory.
So if you're not planning on spending the night, you can come up here to the Sacramento River Trail, Shasta Dam Trailhead, and you'll see there is plenty of parking. It goes all the way down to the main gates where no vehicles are allowed through. And the main gates also have restroom facilities. So quite a few parking spots along here. Right now it's currently the first day in June. School's still going, so it's a nice quiet weekday. On weekends, parking may be a little more of an issue.
I got no issues, it's kinda nice. Like running water into a paradise. Got no drama, feels like we arrived. Picture perfect, it don't exist. But when I'm with you, don't have to question it. True devotion.
Whoa, what do we got here? Okay, I think we can duck through this and turn my head. Oh gosh, my right handlebar caught a little bit there. All straight ahead. This is one where you want, I've discovered, to have both hands on the steering wheel, because if you lose your sense of perception, what happens is, oh yeah, this is nice. It's got a fair amount of light. Maybe not for the people watching on our GoPro here, but in fact, with my sunglasses on, it's a little dark. Oh yeah, here we go. I see the light. Boop, boop. Yes, I'd say that would be a good selection to get the reflection.
He's a poet and he don't know it.
My big feet show it.
Get that side too. The big puppy outside.
Kiss you on the cheek and baby, that's a reflex. Oh, my life, I thought the love was just a lie. A way to feel an unrealistic high. We get our fix, but never satisfied. Give you all of my love and you give it right back. I could fly, I could fall, I know you got my back. Never thought I would find someone to love like that, like that, like that. I like the way we laugh till we cry and keep our love intact. Take a ride, turn them back so we can save on gas. Never thought I would find someone.
So there are even some bike stations along the way here. We are about 6 to 7 miles down the road, and here are some different tools and an air pump. Can't get much better than that. So we even have a nice little rest area here with some restrooms and some shade. Very nice.
Love like that, like that, like that. I like that.
As you probably heard Grace saying, is that along the area through here was where the fire went through. We had a humongous fire. We had about 3 or 4 years down in Sonoma County in the Bay Area, and then a year later, sadly, Redding had a huge swath that got wiped out. Almost got up to Redding, and as you can see, some of the foliage is just starting to come back. So looking beyond the pump, it looks like, I assume it got pumped on the other side, but as I look over here, look at the dam. I think that might be an interim collection area. So take some of the water out of the Sacramento River on this arm and pump it up, and maybe, I'm guessing, I've never seen that reservoir up there before. I'm sure it's been there a long time, but it's always interesting to come onto these side roads and have new discoveries. Okay, here we go. There's Rock Creek, TH, Keswick Dam, TH, and Sundial Bridge. Ooh, I think that's the way we want to go, isn't it?
Yeah, we want to get a little video of that too. Okay, here's our first fork in the road. If we go straight ahead, we got a Rock Creek Trail, or we can go to the Keswick Dam, which is the same direction as the Sundial Bridge, 8 miles further. Shall we?
Let's do it.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, and after going on the Sundial cutoff route, you can kind of see this arm, how it, to the left, it will dead end, and the main part of the Sacramento is much bigger. And oops, we're behind the hill here, but in a moment, stay tuned. There it is. There's the main body again. Whew. And we are going uphill, I think, aren't we, Grace? Almost to the crest. Woohoo! So we got the one arm there going towards Redding, and the other arm going back towards Shasta Dam and Lake Shasta and Mount Shasta to Oregon. Ooh, how you doing, honey? Oh, look at you, you're right behind me. Good job. Was that good for you too? Oofta.
You're a creature of habit. I'm a preacher of magic. I'm a teacher how to be magical.
Oh, that's right, I forgot about this. We need to take a left to go across this. So we do cross the river here.
I can see me spending eternity wrapped up in your loving arms. You lift me higher than the rivers, deeper than the oceans of blue. That's how far I've fallen for you, my love. That's how far I've fallen for you.
Hey, there's my Elks Lodge right there. I spent many a summer swimming at the Elks pool, which is a salt pool of all things. Felt like I was in the Pacific Ocean, looking right over the Sacramento River here.
The sky is blue, the grass is green, and outside my window the songbird sings with your hand in mine. The sun shines bright, they say love is blind, but you open my eyes, 'cause I can see me spending eternity wrapped up in your loving arms. You lift me higher than the river.
And there's our fish ladder. If you're a salmon or a trout and you want to go upstream, that's just where you do it. You're gonna join, I guess that would be Mr. Caldwell? Yeah, he's kind of cold, isn't he?
Kind of seedy. No, there's spiders.
There you go.
Nice to meet you.
And we are approaching the Sundial Bridge. Look at that arch. It's up there, I don't know, 60 feet or more. And believe it or not, it is designed to make a sundial of huge dimensions. There we go. And what does it say the time is? On June 21st, 11 a.m. Well, we're not quite June. We are 10:56. I'd say pretty close. Isn't that amazing how they can have an arch, get it just the right angle for a sundial, and have all the suspension to hold it in place? You know, one thing very unique about this is look at the glass on it. You can't quite see through it. They could have probably made it that way, but I think people might freak out. So it's sort of translucent.
That's how far I've fallen for you. That's how far I've fallen for you, my love. That's how far I've fallen for you. That's how far I've fallen for you.
But there's the spot we went to. Charloo's, not Charlie's, Charloo's.
After having a wonderful lunch in Redding, it was time to head back to camp and burn off some of those calories.
Grace is saying she sees an eagle up ahead. She's been looking for eagles a long, long time.
I got him on my camera now. It's an eagle in California. Oh my God, it's an eagle. I'm seeing my first eagle in California. I'm so excited. Oh, that's so exciting. My wish came true.
Oh, I see him there. You can't see him from where we're at right now. But he's right on the water's edge. Right there. Way to go, baby doll.
It finally happened. There's an eagle. My first eagle in the state of California. This is like,
Bam.
it's like a dream come true.
Way to go, honey. And Lucas, come on, buddy boy.
Come on out.
Come on.
Oh, like you. Come here. How was your day?
There you go. And so this completes our trip here. We are back in River City, so to speak, very near the Shasta Dam, just maybe a half a mile up the creek from us. And we had, I'd say, about the better part of 30 miles and then some.
Probably
Glorious,
35. Oh,
yes,
yeah.
riding. And so right on the Sacramento River, I might add, some up and some down after the first 8 miles, which was kind of a rails to trail, so it was pretty flat. And after that, well, Grace, tell us, what do you think about the trip?
That's it. You know, one of these days we're gonna make our top 10 bike rides, and I have a feeling this one may come right at the top.
Yeah, we've had some where we said, okay, these are top 10, top 5 for our e-bike rides,
Yeah.
which is certainly a big part, and we did bring our kayaks, so look for some of that as we start heading up to Oregon. 023, I believe.
023 it is.
So I
Hope
hope
to
you
see
enjoyed
you.
the show. As always, happy trails to you. Until we meet again.